Hey girl, hey, my name is Brittany Neely, your favorite Atlanta realtor. I specialize in new construction and relocation, and that is exactly what we're here to talk about today. If you're considering moving to Atlanta, Georgia, this video is a must watch. Atlanta is a vibrant city with a rich history, diverse culture, and a thriving job market. Whether you're a young professional seeking a career opportunity or a family looking for a great place to settle down, join me as I provide you with a guide of moving to Atlanta, equipping you with all the essential information you need for a successful relocation. Relocating to my great city, let's dive right into the city's robust housing market, discussing the few residential areas and their characteristics. First up, my favorite, Midtown. Location, location, location. When I moved to Atlanta in 2010, I fell in love with the convenience of walking to the park, restaurants, and shopping centers. I'm a shopper, what can I say? I remember West Midtown being full of a lot of abandoned warehouses and factories, but now, trendy city neighborhoods that include rooftop bars, popular food halls, some of the best restaurants at that in the city. Young professionals and tech professionals flock to this area because they have modern condo living experiences. The average price of a condo in this area is $420,000. Midtown is a fast-growing community that features everything from single-family homes to high-rise condos and apartments. But most people live in the condos and lofts as they make up 85% of the real estate inventory. Microsoft has also housed one of their newest offices in Midtown, near a popular shopping center better known as Atlantic Station. If you love the feel of the city, this neighborhood is worth looking into. I personally lived in Midtown for over 7 years now, so I definitely know this area in and out. Next is one of the newest discoveries, Hapeville. There are only 7,000 people who live in Hapeville, so it's kind of hard to imagine that at any given time, it is one of the busiest places in the world. That's because it is the home of Hartsfield-Jackson Atlanta International Airport. Much of the Hapeville area underwent renovations, and investors are still building. The business opportunities, low cost of living, and the proximity to Atlanta are other reasons why many young people and single professionals are branching out and calling Hapeville home. Delta Airlines, Korean Air Cargo, all have headquarters in Hapeville. The hospitality industry also plays a major role in Hapeville's economy. There are many restaurants, hotels located around the city, particularly around the outskirts of the airport. Because Hapeville is so small, there are a few neighborhoods in the city, but you can find a mix of both established and new homes here. The neighborhood like Virginia Park, Happy Homes, you might find newer, larger Southern style homes, along with smaller bungalows and ranch style homes that have been restored to its original charm. New homes are popping up outside the neighborhood as well. Condos in Hapeville, they're around $3,000, $400,000. Homes are ranging around $340,000 to $640,000. If you follow me on Instagram, you have seen me posting about Steelwood. This is one of the newest single-family homes in the area, ranging in the high $500,000 to $650,000. Just 10 minutes from the city, with family styles inside of the 285 loop, definitely something to consider. Next up, PCT, Peachtree City. I was shopping in home decor and found myself in Peachtree City surrounded by golf courses. No, seriously, all the residents there actually own one. I love that. This master plan community out of Atlanta is walkable paradise for families. One of its most distinguishing features is a 100-mile paved path connecting all 5 of the district villages, each of its own for shopping centers, recreational facilities, and elementary schools. Just 15 miles from the airport. That range over there is $595,000. It is one of the safest cities in this area. Last but not least, Sandy Springs. Big city life is just minutes away, and Sandy Springs has at least 950 acres of parks and natural areas. One of my favorite things to do in this particular area is shoot the hooch. The Chattahoochee River is a recreational activity for pedaling, hiking, but most importantly, tubing. It takes 2 hours to and fro, so just kick back and relax. Just to be honest, Atlanta is not a well-known place for a school system, but if that's what you're looking for, Gwinnett County ranks #1 in the country. You hear me? The average median house in Sandy Springs, however, is $780,000 as of this past May 2023. Well, there you have it. Some of the best places to relocate if you're thinking about moving to Atlanta. We all know Atlanta has a traffic problem, so living on the right side of town is essential. If you have any questions about this city, please don't hesitate to reach out. I love to hear from my YouTube friends. I hope this video helped you think outside the box from the typical Atlanta cities. Just remember, work location, lifestyle, and budget is a good starting point in your relocation process. Contact me using the information in the bio, and I would love to give you my services. Thank you for watching, and until next time,